Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so hari ni kita buat latihan mengenai geometric sequence. Okay, so dalam geometric sequence kita ada dua formula. Okay, so sebutan ke n diberi oleh formula yang ni dan hasil tambah n sebutan pertama, so kita ada 2. So tak kisah nak pakai mana-mana pun boleh. Okay. So biasanya yang pertama ni untuk R lagi besar daripada 1. Yang kedua ni untuk R lagi kecil daripada 1. Okay. Okay, so kita tengok soalan. Okay, so for the first one, given a sequence 6, 12, 24 and 48. So find the number of terms in the sequence. So we need to detect the last term ni. Term yang ke berapa untuk mencari berapa banyak semua term yang ada dalam ni. Okay. So first, so find a first term. So first term is 6, and then find common ratio. R is equal to 12 divided by 6, which is equal to 2. Okay, so kalau kita nampak pun kat sini kita darab 2. 6 darab 2 12. 12 darab 2 24. 24 darab 2 48 dan seterusnya. Okay. Okay, so to find the total number of terms in this sequence, so we level Tn, the last term which is Tn, equal to 3072. Okay. Okay, so formula of Tn is A, which is 6, times by R. So R we don't know. No, R is 2. Okay. So power of n minus 1 equal to 3072. Okay. So next, so 6 ni kita bawa pergi sebelah. So 2 power of n minus 1 is equal to 3072 divided by 6, which is equal to 512. Okay. Okay, so next, cari 512 tu 2 kuasa berapa. Okay. So 2 kuasa 4 berapa? 2 kuasa 4 is 16. 2 kuasa 5 32. 2 kuasa 6 64. 2 kuasa 7 128. Okay, so 2 kuasa 9, so 2 kuasa 9 is 512. Okay, so 2 power of n minus 1 is equal to 2 power of 9. Okay. Okay, so katakan kalau tak dapat macam mana? Kita buat 2 kuasa berapa-berapa tiba-tiba sampai satu masa tak dapat juga 512 ni. So bila tak dapat, tu yang tu kena pakai logarithm. Okay. Okay, so since this one is 2 and this one also 2, so therefore n minus 1 should be equal to 9. So n is equal to 10. Okay. So therefore semuanya kita ada 10 sebutan. Terms in the sequence. Okay. Oleh itu ada 10 sebutan dalam sequence yang diberi. Okay, so B, the sum of the first 8 terms. Okay, so dia nak S8. So S8 is equal to A. So A is 6. R, so R is 2. Power of n, which is 8. And then minus by 1. By R minus 1, 2 minus 1. So which is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So over 1, so tak payah tulis. So 6. 2 power of 8 is 256. Minus by 1, so which is 255. Okay. 255 times by 6, the answer is 1530. Okay, so next question. Okay, soalan seterusnya, the third term and the sixth term of geometric sequence are 2 and 16. Okay, so sebutan ketiga T3 equal to 2 and T6 is equal to 16. Okay, find the first term and the common ratio. Okay, so masukkan formula untuk T3. So A times by R power of n minus 1. So 3 minus 1 which is 2. This one is equal to 2. Okay, so equation number 1. And T6, A times by R power of n minus 1. So n minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, which is equal to 16. Okay, equation number 2. Okay, so ni pun persamaan serentak, tapi kita tak boleh nak pakai teknik penggantian ataupun penggantian boleh, tapi complicated sikit. Teknik penghapusan, so tak boleh pakai teknik penghapusan. So kat sini kita kena pakai division, bahagi. Okay, so equation number 2 divide by equation number 1. Okay, so yang highest power ni, yang ada kuasa paling besar, bahagikan dengan kuasa paling kecil. Okay, so we have AR power of 5 equal to 16 over AR power of 2 equal to 2. Okay, so A cancel, and then R power of 5 divide by R power of 2. Okay, so hukum indeks R. Lepas tu bila kita bahagi, kuasa dia kita tolak, 5 tolak 2. So R power of 3 is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So R is equal to cube root of 8, which is 2. Okay, so boleh ke kita buat 1 bahagi 2? Boleh, kalau nak buat 1 bahagi 2. Cumanya jangan salah lah. Okay, so A cancel, and then this one, so ni akan jadi macam mana? Jadi R kuasa 3 ke? Tak. So this one 2 minus 15, which is R power of negative 3, and 2 divided by 16 is 1 over 8. Macam mana pula ni ni nak buat sebelah negatif 3 ni? So ni ubah jadi 1 per R kuasa 3, 1 per 8. Okay, so numerator 1, therefore denominator must be same. R power of 3 must be equal to 8. Okay, so dapatlah yang ni 2 ni, R sama dengan 2. Okay, so next common ratio, first term. Okay, so common ratio kita dah ada 2. So common first term, sebutan pertama. Okay, so saya ambil persamaan yang pertama ni lah. So A times by R, which is 2 power of 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so we have A times by 4 is equal to 2. So A is equal to 2 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so next B, 11 term. So T11, which is equal to A R power of n minus 1. So A is 1 over 2, R is 2, n minus 1 power of 10. Okay, so the answer is 2 power of 9, which is equal to 2 power of 9, which is 512. Macam mana dapat 2 kuasa 9 ni, sir? Ni bahagi 2. So kat sini darab 2 kuasa 10. So 2 kuasa 10 ni dekat ke atas. So 2 kuasa 10 bahagi 2, 10 tolak, ni kuasa dia 1, dapat 9. Okay. Korang tekan je lah kalkulator, senang. Okay. Hilang dah bawah tu. Okay, so saya buat balik. B, T11 equal to A, which is 1 over 2 R2 power of 11 minus 1. Okay, so equal to 2 power of 9, which is 512. Okay, C nak apa? So C sum of the first 6 term as 6. So as 6 divide, no, saya dah salah dah. Okay, so it's equal to A, which is 1 over 2 times by R 2 power of n, which is 6, minus by 1 divided by R minus 1. So equal to 1 over 2 power of 6 2 power of 6, 64 minus by 1 is 63. Okay, so S6 is 63 divided by 2. Okay, so next, number 3. The price of an item is expected to increase 10% yearly if the current price is 300. Find the expected price after 5 years. Okay. So dijangkakan harga suatu barang tu meningkat sebanyak 10% setiap tahun. And current price ni harga semasa dia adalah 300. Okay, so ni kita boleh sebagai sebutan pertama lah. Okay. So yang ni dia akan jadi geometric sequence dengan R bersamaan dengan 1.1. Okay. 10% ni 0.1. Okay. So R dia akan jadi 1.1. Bila kisah macam ni, so dia akan 0.1 ni plus by 1 untuk jadi R. Okay. So kenapa? Kita tengok sini. Okay, so second term. So dia kata price tu meningkat sebanyak 10%. Okay, so harga asal 300. So 300 meningkat sebanyak 10% daripada harga asal which is 300. Okay, so ni kat sini 300, sini pun 300. So you will have 300 factorize. Keluarkan 300 dapat 1 plus 0.1. Okay, so which is equal to 300 times by 1.1. Okay, so pada tahun ketiga. Okay, so pada harga pada tahun kedua. Okay, daripada tahun kedua, so dia meningkat lagi sebanyak 10%. So 10% tu bukan daripada yang pertama dia akan 10% daripada yang kedua ni. Okay, so 10% 0.1 times by 300 times by 1.1. Okay, so 301.1, 301.1. So factorize. So you will have 301.1 times by, so this one dah keluarkan tinggal 1, and here dah keluarkan yang ni tinggal 0.1. So you will have 300 times 1.1 times 1.1. So nampak tak? 300 darab 1.1 kuasa 2. Okay. So sebutan yang kedua kuasa dia sini 1, sebutan ketiga kuasa dia 2. Okay. So meaning R dia 1.1. Okay. So kalau buat T4 pun nanti dia akan dapat, korang akan dapat yang sama macam ni. Kat sini kuasa dia 3. Okay. Okay, so saya dah cerita kenapa R 1.1. A pun dah ada 300, and then find its expected price after 5 year. So 5 year T5 lah. So, harga pada tahun ke-5. So which is 300 times by 1.1 power of 5 minus 1 which is 4. So equal to 1.1 power of 4 times by 300. Okay, so equal to RM 439 ringgit and 23 sen. Okay, so next, in a certain city, haze is measured by an index on the first day of May. The haze index was 60. Index then continue to increase by 200 daily. Find the index in the 10th day. Okay, so first day index dia adalah 60 and then increase by 2%. Okay, so ni R dia pun samalah, plus by 1. So 2% ni 0.02. Okay. Okay, so R is 1.02. Okay, sebab increase. Kalau decrease macam mana? So increase. Okay, so R dia kita akan buat R minus 0.02. So korang akan dapat 0.98. Ni kalau decrease. Okay, so R is 1.02. Okay. So nak cari indeks pada hari ke 10. So we have 60 times by 1.02 power of 10 minus 1. So 60 1.02 power of 9. Okay, so ini formula AR power of n minus 1 nanti ada yang tanya daripada mana dapat tu. Okay. So 1.02 power of 9 times by 60. Okay. So the index on 10th day is 71.71. Okay, so ambil lah 2 titik perpuluhan. Okay, so next soalan yang kelima, last lah ni. Okay, so in a geometric sequence the 8th term exceed the 6th terms by 4. Find the first term if the common ratio 2. Okay, so dah diberi R is equal to 2. Okay, so soalan ni dia bagi tahu sebutan ke-8 melebihi sebutan ke-6 by 4. Okay, sebutan ke-8 ni lebih daripada sebutan ke-6 sebanyak 4. So ini bermaksud sebutan ke-8 adalah sebutan ke-6 tambahkan dengan 4. Betul. So sebutan ke-6 lebih 4 adalah sebutan 8. Okay, so next dia nak cari first term. Okay, so how to find the first term? So masukkan formula untuk T8. So which is A R power of 8 minus 1 is equal to T6 is A R power of 6 minus 1 plus by 4. And then substitute R. R is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. And then A R is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5 plus by 4. Okay, so next 2 power of 7 is 128. So here you have 128A equal to 2 power of 5 which is equal to 32. So 32A plus 4. Okay, so kumpulkan A, bawa ke sini jadi tolak. So 128 minus by 32. So you will have 96A which is equal to 4. Okay. So therefore A is equal to 4 divided by 96. Okay, so A is equal to 4 divided by 96. Berapa ni jawapan dia? Divide by 2, 2 divide by 2, 2, 4, 8, 4, 2, 4, 8, 48. Okay, so divide by 2 is 124. Okay, so 1 over 24. Itulah. Okay, so the answer is A is equal to 1 over 24. Okay, so setakat ni untuk hari ni. Okay. So terima kasih dan Assalamualaikum.